Hi, I'm Barry Garcia, Ikan Lighting Product Manager, and today on the Tech Corner, we're going to talk about the large Lyra lights. So when we started our Lyra line off, we started off with squares and rectangles, or 1x1s and 1/2x1s. We were very successful with those, so we moved up to a larger Lyra line. These are also in rectangles and squares, but just in bigger sizes and shapes. Now, all of these lights come in a bicolor option, whether it be 32 or 5600 degrees Kelvin. Now, much with our smaller Lyras, the 1x1s and 1/2x1s, these have great color fidelity as well. 95 plus CRI as well as a 97 TLCI. Now, with the controls and things, those are very familiar as well. They have our same backing as well as the big yellow knob, 4-pin power supply, XLRs, and everything that you might need to put these lights anywhere you need them. So you will recognize that most of the controls and the style and look of it are, like I said, the same. You've got the big yellow knob, which is a much slimmer profile. So if you're trying to reach up there and control and turn that light up or down, makes it easier on you. As well as the push button ability that it gives you to toggle between the brightness, the color temperature, and the DMX channel. Now, if you plug in the DMX cables, all the local controls disappear with the exception of the DMX channel that you can dial into the proper one that you're looking for. This just makes it easier on you when you're setting your lights up in a studio setting. Now, these large Lyra lights all have a active as well as passive cooling system. Now, what I mean by that is that it has a fan toggle switch on the back. You can go all the way up to 100 if the fan is on. If you turn the fan off, the light only goes up to 80%. Another great thing about these large Lyra lights is the fact that all the power supplies are actually attached to the back of the fixture. So all you've got really dangling is just the cable. Now, some of the other great features we've added to these new large Lyra lights are stronger yoke, as well as a locking system that allows a quick turn, quick set, and a lock bat that allow you to set the light anywhere you need to. Lastly, we have the 5/8 baby pin receiver / 7/8 junior pin that will go on any stand that you might have, as well as attached to any C-clamp that you need to put up on a grid. So now that we've talked a little bit about these lights, let's go out into the Ikan Chromakey Studio and see what we've got. So we're out here on Ikan's little insert green screen stage, and we've hung up our large Lyra lights. Now that's what's lighting me currently. We have a couple of different lights set in different places. Now, one of the nice things about these lights is they're like our original Lyras, the 1x1 and the 1/2x1. They all have a half-stop diffuser that's permanently installed in front of them. So it's going to give you that nice wrapping soft light that you're so used to, and none of those micro shadows that can be a problem. Now we're going to show you how this works on the green screen with our good friend Veronica. So now we're joined by Veronica. Hi, Veronica.
Hi, Barry.
And we're going to talk a little bit about how these lights kind of cut you out from the green screen. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to pop out real fast, and we're going to show whatever environment Veronica's going to kind of be in here and show you how easy it is for a green screen with these nice soft lights. So now that you've seen how great Veronica and I look on the green screen, let's pop back into the studio. So that's some good information about how to use these lights in a grid situation. In fact, they're so good, we're using them right now to light me for the Tech Corner. If you want any more information about Ikan products or just more information about our large Lyra lights, you can always go check us out at ikancorp.com. I'm Barry Garcia. Thanks so much for watching.